Alrighty, last section, guys. We have 7 questions left. I've skipped 10.2. We're not going to cover that in this section. So for the first one, we want to multiply. Essentially, as long as your radicals are the same, these are both squares, you can combine the stuff on the inside, okay? So we can rewrite this as 3 times 5 on the inside, okay? And 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. Remember, we take things out here in groups of 2. This is already factorized, so we can't take out anything. We can't take out the 3 or the 5 because there's no group of 2. So that means we can combine them, and our final answer would be the square root of 15, okay? For this next one, again, we do the same thing. We can combine them under one radical since they're the same. So we do 21 in x. 21 breaks into 7 times 3, and that's it. There's no groups of 2, so you can't pull anything out. There's only one x, so you can't pull anything out. So that would be the final answer, okay? On C, they're both cubed radicals, cubed roots, so we can put the 4 and 2 underneath the same thing, okay? Here, 4 can break into 2 times 2, right? So I'm going to do it in a different color just to show you what I'm doing. So this 4 can now break into 2 times 2, and we still have a 2 over there. And remember, we take things out in groups of 3 because of that 3 on the outside. We can take out one group of 3. One group of 2. So our answer is just 2. Alright, so for D, again, they're both fourth roots, or fourth. So we can take this 5y to the second, stick it underneath, times this 2x to the third, and stick it underneath. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and break down. Well, so we can look at the numbers first. Let's do that. I'll make them a different color again. So we have 5 and we have 2, right? So 5 and 2. Can we break those numbers down anymore? No, we can't. So 5 is just done. It's prime, and so is 2. So for the blue, with just the numbers, can we take out any groups of 4? No, we can't. So since we can't take out any groups of 4, we leave it underneath. So we're going to leave the 5 and the 2 underneath, which is the same thing as leaving 10 underneath. Okay? And then next we can do our y squared. We have 2 y's, right? But we're supposed to take out 4. So we can't take out anything, so we leave the y's. And again, we have 3 x's, but we're supposed to take them out in groups of 3's, so it stays. And this would be the final answer. Okay, and lastly for E, we have fractions. Again, you can put them all under the same radical since they're both to the imaginary 2. So we have 2 in our B on top, and then we have our A and our 3 on the bottom, okay? And that would actually be the final answer because we can't pull out the 2, we can't pull out the 3 or the A or the B because nothing has groups of 2.